I, Sri Chandra Kumar Jamatia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Palomta.
Now, I call upon Sri David Murasi, 22 Kataria, Mirza Rajapur.